What is the one word for refuse to acknowledge, ratify, or recognize as valid? The correct answer is repudiate. What is the one word for a contrived or fantastic idea? The correct answer is figment. What is the one word for pleasant in manner and appearance? The correct answer is personable. What is the one word for the property of being close together? The correct answer is proximity. What is the one word for without any attempt at concealment, completely obvious? The correct answer is blatant. What is the one word for one the first colonists or settlers in a new territory? The correct answer is pioneer. What is the one word for a single distinct event? The correct answer is incident. What is the one word for noticeable variety? The correct answer is diversity. What is the one word for destroy or injure severely? The correct answer is mutilate. What is the one word for injure badly? The correct answer is maul. What is the one word for reflect deeply on a subject? The correct answer is ponder. What is the one word for respectful deference? The correct answer is homage. What is the one word for cause to be nervous or upset? The correct answer is fluster. What is the one word for supply sparingly and with restricted quantities? The correct answer is stint. What is the one word for enthusiastic approval? The correct answer is acclaim. What is the one word for expressive of low opinion? The correct answer is derogatory. What is the one word for denote or connote? The correct answer is signify. What is the one word for express strong disapproval of? The correct answer is deplore. What is the one word for the outward flow of the tide? The correct answer is ebb. What is the one word for pull lightly but sharply? The correct answer is pluck.